I've started to look to the workshop again, the ugly shop. I can finish some projects that I started during the summer and some projects that I have dreamed of. Today I will build a super simple clamp rack, which I will put over here. I'm gonna cut this one in half. I've used it to practice my routing. I'm gonna use these, I think it's called French screws, to secure it in the wall. I'm gonna cut here and see if I could split it with an axe. I can cut here and here maybe. Should be ready to screw to the wall now. Oh, it looks so uneven. I will add a piece of wood to each side to use as an end stop. That rack really looks to be leaning badly. But if we actually check it with the water level, we can see that it's almost level. So it's actually the roof that's leaning. I am done with my clamp rack. It's ugly and I like it. And it really gets the clamps out of the way. So it's awesome. 5 out of 5 uglies. My second project on the organization upgrade of my work area is to hang my chisels on the wall. On this wall, which is right in front of the workbench, and I want to have them on the diagonal to save some space. So I'm gonna do it quick and dirty. Go Team Ugly! Quick and ugly. And since this is a quite small space, it quickly gets cramped by stuff. And this time it's my material corner that's completely messy and overflowing with stuff. I'm gonna take some facade boards and make a dedicated space for the material. I haven't really realized the mess of this corner, the amount of stuff that I've saved. The mess is somewhat contained, and I found this particle board that I will screw in place as a divider of this area, which gives me one area for wood and one for metal. I found 2 barrels or containers, whatever you want to call them, and I'm thinking that I will put one in each corner, which I will use for the small pieces. Look at that difference. Simple, organized, huge improvement. If you have enjoyed it, like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.